Welcome to the office.
Man, shout out to the west side. We can never forget the east side though. It's great to be back in West Hollywood, and I'm here with Dr. Rahim right now. He's gonna get me right.
So Austin,
I'm ready.
what you doing in West Hollywood?
Just making music and staying creative. You know, doing my thing.
Anything dropping soon?
Yeah, I actually might drop something today.
Right. Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
Where are we gonna hear it?
You can hear it on YouTube and SoundCloud right now.
Very
Then I'm gonna
nice.
package it up and put it out on Spotify. And
What's the name?
everywhere. It's called Get Gone.
Get going.
I like the tension that I came in with.
All right. So what are you feeling today?
Shoot, really just in my neck. I feel like I just need a good.
Need a good set?
Yeah.
You got a tiny bit up here, that C2. That fun one we like so much. We'll get you all tuned up for your trip back home for the holidays, okay?
Thank you, bro.
You got it, dude. You got it. T18-9, 10 points left. Scoot back for me, sir.
Damn.
Yeah, we got a little more than that. Oh, nice. You been on the computer a lot?
No, I've been moving.
To West Hollywood or now from West Hollywood?
Well, I've been in West Hollywood this whole time. I've just been bouncing around from like 3 different places.
Right.
Like last time I saw you was like 3 places ago. I went to a different spot.
You were in
and then-
Beverly Hills back then, weren't you?
Yeah. Well.
I think, yeah, you were at that house.
Okay. So yeah, this is my 4th place since I've seen you. Then.
Right on.
Crazy, but
Having fun?
having a great time.
Good stuff. How are the boys?
The boys are great.
Good.
Back at home.
Oh, everybody's home?
Back in at the spot right now.
Got it, okay. And we got
Yeah.
10,
What's that down there?
we got 10 points in your sacrum, dude. We got 10 points here. We got about 10 points here. We got about 5 points up top. So you feeling the neck the most, right?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna deal with the neck, but we got this stuff to deal with too. Back slowly towards me. All the way back, sir. Good. Good. Sacrum.
Mm.
Right there. Head down, please. Look down. Static palpation.
It's a good thing I just did back today.
Yeah, what kind of activities you been doing though, besides working out? Boxing, riding?
Yeah, just boxing, writing, working out, playing basketball. Dancing.
At the beach or on the courts?
No, on the course.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Ooh.
9, sacrum.
Mm.
Came a long way. Welcome to the new office. Still a little work in progress, but
What's going on back there?
C2. That's that fun one we did a long time ago. Okay. All right, let's do it this way. C2 is bothering you the most, right? Out of all of it?
I mean, maybe the 9.
The 9, right?
Yeah.
That's the little stress button, by the way.
Yeah.
Let's start then with your neck. Then we do low back on the side, and then we finish up with 9.
Okay.
And we get you nice and relaxed.
Didn't you say 9 is like digestion or something?
9 is adrenals. 9 is the stress button. It can affect a little bit of the digestion through the glucose metabolism, through the glucocorticoids, through the adrenal glands. But
I don't know what you're
You're not
talking about, bro, but I trust you.
you're not stressed though, right? A little bit. We all got a little stress. Traveling is going to be okay?
Yeah.
Nothing new out there?
No.
Okay, right hand up. Let's get that seat.
It's stressful moving, bro.
I'm sure it is, dude. So you're still in West Hollywood, your 4th place
I
now?
literally just settled into my new spot like 3 days ago.
Good.
Feeling great now.
Good, dude. When are you going to be back?
Top of the year.
Good. We'll get the whole gang in then, okay? C2. C2. Let that left ear drop. Gotcha. Very nice. Give that a second. Deep breath in. Deep breath in. There you go. Left side down, please. Okay. Sacrum. Hold the wrist here. Good. I got to push up there on the shoulder. Let me push. Are you okay with that? And let's push that sacrum forward. S2. Gotcha. Very nice. Hold on, baby. Give that a second. Just chill. What we're gonna do. We're gonna do your 9. Chest here, face down. Bend at the hips, arch the back, tummy down, sir. Good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
6 or 7 was feeling a little weird too.
These are compensating, Austin, from this one. It's starting here. Now, let's do that again. That one, that one, that one. Hold on, make sure my count's good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. We're off by 1, so it's good we counted top, bottom, bottom up. Nice. Nice and easy, sir. Give that a minute and let's let that out. Deep breath in. Blow it out fast and step away from the vehicle. Good. Nice. You good? Good. Let's walk twice. And then we need to do the ankles. Little different walking in this room, right?
It's a little more space.
A little more space. Okay. 1, 2, up. Let it go. Again. 1, 2. Other side. On 3, up. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Thank you.
Thank you.
We're going to do the right ankle with the board. Slide up headward. Good stuff. Nice. Sit up and turn. We'll do the shoulders. Ears first. Shoulders. That's it. Shoulders are good. Time for a buff and polish. Ooh. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Squeeze. 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 Elbow. A little bit there. Radial head on the back side. Crunch. Lunate. Squeeze. Squeeze. Ulna.
What's going on over there?
You get back in and get a few extra dips in, okay?
Okay.
For the elbows. Lunate. Scaphoid. Squeeze. Something's still off. Have a seat. Not happy with that, dude. Sit back here for me. this one. On the look up, that's the rest. Now here's the interesting part, Austin. It was clear, but I still didn't feel that power. I'll give you a minute. Let's check the power. You should have more power when you're ready. Squeeze. Squeeze. More power?
Definitely more power.
Right?
I mean, I'm tingling all over right now. But see, that's a true professional right there. Anyone else would have been like, you know what, I just popped you, you're good. See you next week. But he was like, no, wait a second. There's still more, and there was.
But the only way I knew that,
Thank you for that, bro.
you're very welcome. And we did it through the handshake, right?
Yeah.
If I didn't do that, you look clear. So, I appreciate you.
I don't know how you do it, bro, honestly.
We gotta connect, right?
Yeah.
We gotta connect.
Yeah. We gotta stay connected.
That's right. That's right.
Yeah.
I want you to have a happy holiday.
Thank you, bro.
Okay, have fun with the family.
I will.
And let's regroup in the new year.
Yeah, we will.
Happy holidays.
I love you, Don.
Love you too, brother. You do well.